Hey George, this video was for you. You had a question about getting individual student scores and what each student is doing right and doing wrong. If you want to be very specific, here's what I do. I go to the grade book first, and then overview by student, and then I click on the specific assignment I'm looking at. So let's say I want to look at this student's homework, and then I can review everything that student did right and wrong. So like this one, I noticed the student got wrong, so I'm going to click on that one. As soon as it loads. Okay, and then just hover on this and it'll tell you what the student, did and what the correct answer should have been. That's to be very specific, but there's a great way to get a general overview. So I'm going to exit out of here real quick and show you something else. So it's this performance by chapter. So if you click on the performance by chapter, the only thing that the students have done so far is the orientation, but you click on this and open it up, and you can open up this even more. And now it's going to have more than this when you get to chapter 1, chapter 2, but then you can get an overall view of what specific thing the whole class needs help with. So let's say you're on this. You look at chapter 1, and you look at section 1.1, and there's 3 main points in section 1.1. You notice that the whole class got a 95% here, and a 70% there, and a 20% there. I'm like, uh-oh, the whole class isn't doing too good on this specific part of section 1.1. So the performance by chapter link, I think, is the best link to see how overall as a class you're doing on which parts. And then if you break it down by, you can do it by homework and by quizzes too. See if they're doing better on the quizzes or they're doing better on the homework in that specific topic. So hopefully that answers your question on how to figure out as a whole what the class is doing on each part. I think it's better than looking at every single student score and every single question. So, okay. Thank you very much.